Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and run the Python code in Visual Studio Code. First we will install the Python, then we will install the Visual Studio Code, then we will install the required Python extensions in Visual Studio Code. Then we will run the sample Python program. So go to python.org, Python, click on downloads. See, this is the latest version. Click on download Python. See, Python download has been started. If you have already installed Python, no need to download. You can skip the installation. Click on this Python 3.12 exe file. Click on it. See here we have the, see, you must select this add Python to path. Then click on install now. I will keep this link in the video description. Click on close. Now next step is download and install the Visual Studio Code. Go to code.visualstudio.com. Hit enter. I will keep this link also in the video description. See here we have the download for Windows. See, this is the stable version. Download. Click on download. See here we have the downloads for Windows, Linux and Mac. Click on system installer. So select x64. See, download has been started and its size is 94 megabytes. Wait until this download completes. See, download is completed. Click on this exe file. Accept license agreement and click on next. See, this will be the location to store the Visual Studio Code files and folders. Click on next. If you don't want to create start menu, you have to check this one. Click on next. If you want to create desktop icon, you have to select it. I don't want, so keep all this as it is and click on next. Click on install. See, keep the checkbox as it is to launch the Visual Studio Code. Click on finish. Now it will open the Visual Studio Code. Click on allow access. See, this is the Visual Studio Code. See, this is the welcome window. Close this one. Now create a file. Open new text file. Then save as, Control S. Save on, click on C practice, then save the file, then type print welcome to R2 schools. Print one more line, print 8. Okay, see, the file is there in C practice and the file name is this one. Now to run the command, open terminal, new terminal, then go to the directory, C drive, cd, c. Now here we have hello world.py file, cls. Now run the Python and hello world.py. Save it, run the Python. See, before I haven't saved. Now after saving and run, see, it has printed output. See, it is a bit lengthy process, so to avoid this situation you have to click on extensions. So first search for Python, hit enter. See, here we have the Python, click on it. See, these are the list of the installation on Visual Studio Code. Click on it. We have successfully installed. Let me close this one, close this one. Now go to the file. Now instead of running this one, let me close this terminal also. Just click on this run button. Okay, click on it. See, Python executed. Even if you want add one more line, another line, no, just click on. See, no need to save also. Just select it and run. So in this video we have seen how to install and run the Python code on Visual Studio Code. For more Python or Visual Studio Code videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.